boss. Baby, that's my boy. You get anything you like. Long as you alright, then me alright. Me know your man, that's why me like you. To a woman that likes right. You see bump up the proper size.
Ooh. Good morning, YouTube. Well, good afternoon because it is 12:29. I actually just woke up, brush my teeth and do all them fun things there. But I said I'm gonna decorate the house for Christmas today. So I just felt like vlogging. You guys, the last time I vlogged was New Year's. So it's almost been 1 year since I've actually made a vlog. But I'm like, yo, I'm gonna decorate the Christmas tree. It's almost Christmas, you know. I just want to put out like a little, you know, sneak preview of a Christmas vlog. But yeah, I'm gonna put up the Christmas tree. I'm getting kind of sick right now. Like over here it's actually cold. The weather, when was it? Like 2 days ago it was warm outside and now it's cold again. Like the weather keeps going back and forth, so I'm getting sick. But yeah guys, so I am gonna go get the Christmas tree and yeah. Oh, my out of breath. Guys, I finally got the Christmas decorations, Christmas tree. My Christmas tree is kind of small, but as long as I have a Christmas tree, everything good. Duh. But guys, I'm pretty sure while I was extracting these things, I broke a couple decoration, a couple ornaments, cause yo, that was hard. My out of breath, cause the cellar's in the basement. I have to haul up everything up high stairs. My out of breath, but me gonna decorate the living room. Over here, like I always put like some like, you know, what you call it, garland? Is that what you call it? Over there, the post over there, I always wrap like, I think it's called garland. This stuff that looks like the Christmas tree, but like you wrap it around. But I always wrap it around there, and then like I wrap one around here. I wrap a couple things. Don't watch my waist trainer, but I wrap a couple things up the stairs as well, just to, you know, make the house feel very Christmassy. And then the dining room, I'm gonna put a nice tablecloth, nice Christmas tablecloth, and try to, I think I have some little decoration because I see my mom come home with this little sleigh thing. I understand, but I guess I'm gonna put it inside there. I'll just see how things will work out. I'm gonna, you know, make in here so look nice and Christmassy too, you know. I feel like I'm gonna have to buy a little bit more decorations because my decorations are kind of outdated. Like we've been having these decorations for years on top of years on top of years, and like our decorations are not really color coordinated. Like there's a lot of red. Last year I bought a couple blue and silver decorations because I wanted to have a blue and silver Christmas. But yo, every time I look, like I buy stuff, there's a lot of just red. Like I don't know where all this red keeps coming from, but there's just a lot of red. So like, guys, my mom, every year my mother make Christmas cake. For those who don't know what Christmas cake is, it's rum cake. It's cake that's basically infused with like Jamaican rum, and it's a Jamaican thing, and it tastes so nice. I can't wait for you to make it. Although I shouldn't really be eating no like sweet things because I try to lose some weight, you see me? But yo, can't wait for the Christmas cake. Yo, I love Christmas. Christmas is like my favorite holiday, I swear to God. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go decorate now. Guys, I'm so pissed because like, yo, I can't find the bottom of the Christmas tree. Like, you know the stands for the Christmas tree? I can't find it. Like, right now, me I catch hard failure right now because I get upset. But like, I put up some of these things, my stockings and stuff. So I'm about to write the names of the people them who for stuck in his age. So that me I gonna do that now. But right now I need to know what me I gonna do about the Christmas tree. Cause right now me I get upset. Me heart I feel right now, I swear.
One thing you know, from December start, every day is Christmas. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. What's up, at the party? There's a drink coming. No 1 million comments. Dance out to the streets of earth. November, all the blessings. till you reach the edge. Can't turn back now, just feel yourself. Everybody so clean. We know you're heaven and I give them hell. We the people say, dance out to the street.
So this is my little wraparound thing. You know, something, you know, I tried a thing. I was actually thinking of how I should decorate it while I was actually doing it. It's nothing that was planned. But yeah, I put a little bow there and just wrap a few of that that red decoration. I don't even know what it is. I just found it in my Christmas box, but yeah, that's that.
We wish you a reggae Christmas. We wish you a reggae Christmas. We wish you a reggae Christmas and a reggae New Year. We wish you a reggae Christmas. We wish you a reggae Christmas. We wish you a reggae
Okay, I
Christmas.
did some stuff up the stairs. Just something very simple. I put this right here. A candle is supposed to go in here. I think I'm gonna put a candle in here for decorational purposes, not to light the candle, but I have this here, and then I just wrap this stuff just all the way up the stairs, just right until there, you know, just to, you know, be festive and so. Yeah, we are get festive and so. So right now I'm just gonna do the rest of the house decorations and then the ghetto. Guys, I found the base of the Christmas tree. Hey, yo, my glad. Yo, I'm so happy. Like, yo, I don't wonder what me I gonna do. I find the bottom of the Christmas tree. I'm going to the cellar. I'm gonna find it under one mattress when I cellar. I'll wait to do under there. Yo, now I can finally put up my Christmas tree. So I got the tree up. It looks kind of scrawny right now, but I just need to fluff up the leaf them and decorate it. Right now I actually don't have a star. I want a small star, but the star too small for on top of this tree. So yeah, I'm gonna decorate and so decorate and make it look pretty. Yeah. Hi, mommy. My mom came and she see the decorating and she already put in her opinion them. What you say? No one was here all day when I was busting my ass and decorating, and now everybody want to come home and come make opinions. I'm not even going to show you guys what it looks like yet until I'm fully done. So majority of my decorating is done. There's like a 1-2 thing that I want to add, but this is what I have so far. So we're starting at the entrance. So when you come,
Joe say, haha, them say them kill Santa. What could it mean? Murder Santa from 2003.
I mean, my daddy.
Say a Christmas, somebody play a tree. What? And he go the papi, bring the KFC. Everyone, pan a shot, hear me a clap, and bring a rich and the Christmas tree.
Hey man, yo, Gaza man done kill Santa Claus. Ba 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 bam bam, ba ba bam bam. See this a no cheerleader, pam pam pa, ba ba bam bam, ba ba bam bam. Try pipe on the slate inna the red trampa, ba ba bam bam, ba ba bam bam. Bling chopping at them head, fire shot and throw a bam bam. Man not talk long, ba ba bam bam.
She got the diva. And the way you say,
It coming like Christmas, coming like Christmas. It coming like Christmas, coming like Christmas.
I love it when you set me so. Bend me like the S. Rub your fingers from my clitoris up the nipple from my breast. I put the dicky